Did you know there's a creature that actually lets someone else clean its teeth and in return rewards them with raw meat? Well, that creature is the crocodile. Crocodiles eat meat, but their long, sharp teeth often trap leftovers between them. And they know if those teeth aren't cleaned, they'll rot, and hunting will become impossible. So what does the crocodile do? It simply opens its massive jaws and waits. Then, tiny birds, like sparrows, fly right inside its mouth, picking out every bit of food stuck between its deadly teeth. Think about it. Those little birds are literally food for the crocodile. It could eat them in a blink, but it doesn't, because it knows, without them, its only dental care system is gone. Even a powerful predator like the crocodile knows when to control its and give space to the tiny ones who help it survive.